Whoa, how are you today, Sally?
I'm mad! I'm at the whole world!
Are you mad at everybody in the whole world?
I'm mad at everybody!
Are you mad at all the trees and the flowers? Are you mad at all the animals and the fish?
I'm mad at them too! I'm mad at everything!
Are you mad at the sky and the stars? Are you mad at the ground? Are you mad at the rocks? Are you mad at all the TVs, building circuses, roller skates, and bracelets?
You didn't mention jump ropes.
Are you mad at jump ropes?
I'm especially mad at stupid jump ropes!
This is for you, Lucy. Happy Valentine's Day. No, that doesn't sound it. Here, Lucy. This is for you. Happy Valentine's Day. Goodness, just don't get nervous. This is for you, Lucy. Happy Valentine's Day. This is for you, Lucy. Merry Christmas. I can't stand it. Look at them laughing and enjoying the Valentines. I sent a Valentine to every person I know. And did I get one in return? No. I did not get one stupid Valentine. Nobody likes me. I get as many Valentines as a dog.